This 3D printer tripled our production and blew our minds.
The S1 Pro is a Delta 3D printer designed for high-speed printing. Delta printers keep the build plate stable and move the hot end around using a 3-arm configuration, travel speed of up to 1200 mm per second, and an acceleration of up to 40,000 mm per second squared, which is super fast, allowing models to print almost twice as quick as most.
I know you can hear it in my voice. I'm excited about this machine. You're going to be able to do ABS, ASA, PA, PC, PET. I'm giving you my excitement as a business owner, and this did really well. Take a look at this detail. This is using FLSUN, their high-speed filament, and I was really surprised on how well this printed. Look at the inside, and everything is really nice and clean because of the quality. I would be happy with giving this to a customer.
FLSUN has done a great job in the design. It's an amazing 3D printer. So far, I love 90% of what I'm seeing from FLSUN.
Okay, so now that a printer like the T1 Pro exists, I can say I'm most likely going to retire my Core XY printer, the Creality K1 Pro. I can also say with absolute certainty that I am never, ever, ever going to build my own 3D printer ever again, because it's just not worth it. It's clear to me that FLSUN has done...
That is insane. And this thing can print speeds, no kidding, 1200 millimeters per second. A lot of other machines on the market are 600 millimeters per second, and that's kind of their max printing speed. So this one has up to 40,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration to match that 1200 millimeters per second print speed. Like the T1 Pro, they've cut that volume or that sound in about half. So FLSUN is claiming that with the door closed about a meter or so away, several feet away, it's about 55 decibels. And I would say that's correct. So even printing here on the bench, working over there, I had the door open while filming, and it really didn't even bother me. Wasn't an issue at all. Job with that interface, making everything just super intuitive, very fast, very responsive, and this was printed on this machine. Are you ready? In 9 hours. That's insane. A helmet like this used to be 24, 26, 28 hours, 32 hours. I'm so confident with these FLSUN machines after having, this is the 4th one. I really think Deltas came into their own. And I really feel like even in 2025, Deltas are a serious contender for top-of-the-line machines.
Tired of your 3D printer crawling at a snail's pace? For too long, slow speeds have held back the true potential of 3D printing. The FLSUN T1 Pro is here to change the game. The FLSUN T1 Pro features a 1000 mm per second print speed, cutting print times in half while maintaining high quality, making it perfect for both prototypes and production. T1 Pro also boasts a build volume of 260 millimeters in diameter and 330 millimeters in height, providing ample space for a wide variety of projects. This large print area is perfect for creating tall models, intricate robotic parts, and detailed prototypes. Whether you're working on small batch production or larger, more complex designs, this spacious build volume ensures flexibility and efficiency. Whether you're working with common or more demanding filaments, the T1 Pro can handle them with ease. Its auto-leveling system uses dual sensors for fully automated bed calibration, ensuring a perfect first layer without any manual effort. With filament detection, the printer pauses automatically if it runs out of filament, preventing failed prints. The power loss recovery feature saves your progress during outages, letting you resume printing once power returns. For real-time oversight, the built-in 1080p camera allows you to monitor prints remotely and captures time-lapse footage for reviewing your print process. These smart additions make the T1 Pro an efficient and worry-free printer. The T1 Pro excels at maintaining precision during high-speed printing, thanks to its vibration compensation technology. At speeds up to 1000 millimeters per second, vibrations can cause defects like ringing or ghosting, where surface imperfections appear due to rapid movements. The printer's input shaping algorithm solves this by minimizing the effects of vibrations, ensuring smooth transitions during fast directional changes. But that's not all. The FLSUN T1 Pro combines high performance with smart energy-saving features. Its screen auto-sleep function dims the display when idle, while auto-stop heating conserves power by cutting heat to the bed and hot end during pauses. This ensures energy isn't wasted during long prints. Whether you're working in a home office or a workshop, the T1 Pro keeps the air cleaner while minimizing power consumption. Perfect for efficiency and eco-conscious users.
Yeah, it goes along.